welcome you back to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at infinite loop system. So the infinite loop is a loop system that prints to infinite. If it means it keeps printing to infinite, it can't stop it. Alright, so infinite means something that tends to infinity. Alright, let's go ahead and just do that. It's straightforward, it's very simple. I don't know how many times you can ever use that in your program, but it's good we teach it so that you can be able to know about it and then program with it. And one day, sometime you might use it in your own program, who knows. Let's go ahead and say for, and then just double semicolon right in there. Just put the first semicolon, second semicolon, and that gives you the infinite loop. Alright, so inside here you can go ahead and write whatever you want, and if you see that, it will write forever. Say this is an infinite loop system. So this is an infinite loop system, and let this move to the next line after executing the first one. Okay, so go ahead and end that end line, and that is all. Alright, so that is all, nothing more, nothing less. And run this code and let's see how this moves. Can you see that? It will keep moving. You see that? Start from up, down. It keeps generating. This is an infinite loop system. This is an infinite loop system. So I don't know how many times you can be able to use this in your own program, but it's just an infinite loop. Okay. Maybe you want this to continue to execute to eternity till that kingdom come. Alright. So it does not stop, it does not end, it does not finish, it keeps moving, and that is all. I'll go ahead and close that. The code is just ready before you. So just know that infinite loop is a type of for loop with only double semicolon right inside it, and whatever is in there is executed forever. So put it on your own system, try it and check it out, and then in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.